Okay, student, let us start with the example one. We have to find the or determine the per unit. So the question, a question is given. In a question, what they have told, a single phase transformer is rated 110 bar 440 volts. 440 volts, 2.5 kVA. Leakage reactance measured from the low tension side is 0.06 ohms. Determine leakage reactance in per unit. So let us find this one. See, this is, let us find uh, let us find this one. We will find per unit reactance. Now to the solution, we have to find the solution. Here what they have said, they have given a transformer. This is single phase transformer. This is a single phase transformer with primary winding as well as secondary winding. They have given, this is as a voltage. They have given the voltage 110 volt. This is a 110 volt, and here we are getting 440 volts. We are getting at the secondary side. This is a primary side and this is a secondary side. So this one, first what we'll do, and they have given another one. They have given the rating of this one as a 2.5 kVA. This is a rating of a transformer, full transformer. This is a rating of transformer. And leakage reactance measured from the low tension side, that is low tension. This is low tension. We call this primary side low tension. Okay, low tension. And this has a high high tension because of its voltage. It is having 110 volts. This is having 440 volts. Okay. Here the reactance, leakage reactance of at the low tension side is given as 0.06 ohms. He has given. Now he has asked us to find per unit. He has asked us to find per unit of all the value. This is as a question mark for us. So values they have given, this is 1 voltage and this is a sorry, this is 110 voltage, this is 440 volts. Now we have to find the per unit, per actual value plus base value. For this one we have to first find the impedance. We will, let us take the impedance. This is impedance. Impedance formula is given as kilovolt square into 1000 divided by kVA. This is the formula for the impedance. This is the formula for the impedance. Okay, formula for the impedance. This is very important formula. So what we'll do for the primary side, we'll go it for the first. Let us go for the low tension side. Low tension, that is low tension side. Okay, this is there. So impedance, we'll put the point. Impedance is equal to kV. How, what is the kV at the low tension? That is 110 volt. 110 volt we have to convert into kilo volt. That becomes 110. That is square into 1000 upon what is the kVA? kVA, it is already given. This is a kVA. kVA is 2.5. How we convert here? This 110 is, if it is 110 divided by 1000, it will become 0.110. This is the value we are going to get. This is volts. This is volts. We are converting into volt into kilovolt. We are converting to kilovolt. Okay, and we are putting the value. So the value, impedance answer we are going to get 4.84 ohms. Okay, this is the value we are going to get. Impedance we are going to get. Next what we will do, we will find out what is the value. X is equal to, next, that is per unit. We got this value, that is next per unit. Per unit is actual value upon base value. What is actual value? Actual value they have given as 0.06 ohms, and base value we have got here 4.84. okay, that is we get the values, that is equal to 0.0124 per unit. We got the value for this one. Okay, now we have to find per. Now we have completed for primary side. Now let us go for the secondary side. So it is for high tension side. Okay, that is 440 volts. Now first we have to find in this one reactance. So reactance is equal to reactance, what we are having, voltage, two voltage are there, V1 and V2 are there, V1 and V2. The first V1 and V2 is 440 volts divided by, this is formula, 110 volts square, but we are, it is with the reference with first primary winding reactance. So here reactance is there, here reactance, we are finding the reactance at this one. This is x1, for example, this is x1 reactance. We are finding the value x2. This is, we want to find what is the value of x2. So if you want to find this value, we have to consider x1, that is x1 is 0.06, means the formula for x2 is reactance is equal to x1 V2 divided by V1 divided by V1 whole square. So we are putting this formula, in this formula we are putting, that is nothing but 0.06 440 volts upon 110 volts square. If the value for this one x2 value, how much we are getting, we are getting 0.96 ohms. Okay, now impedance, height side tension. Now we are want to find impedance at this point. Impedance, we know what is the formula, that is kV square into 1000 divided by kVA. So what is kV? kV is nothing but the 4.440 whole square into 1000. What is the kVA? kVA already we have tell, kVA is equal to 2.5. okay, now put the values here, 2.5. how this has came, see this, how this has came, I will tell you. In this one, 440 volts divided by 1000, this is we are converting into kVA, that is become 0.440 kVA. We are converting this, and again we are putting here. So now the value for this one is 77.5 ohms. Now in per unit, I have to find it per unit, that is per unit. So per unit value for this one, Pu is equal to, what is the value, we have to consider the first one, this one actual value, this is actual 96 ohm, okay, this is base value. Okay, we have to consider this is base, 7.5 ohms is equal to, that we are getting as 0.0124 pu. We are getting the value for this. This is the example, we have to find the per unit value for this.